I've been seeing many videos, especially tech videos, wherein which I've noticed one thing. That is, these tech YouTubers, especially in India, unbox a product from a company called Blitzwolf. And when I searched about that, yes, it is a famous and a great company in a website called Banggood. So this Banggood website used to sell these Blitzwolf product, and I wondered when would I get a hands-on on this one. And that's when I got a courier, and when I open it up and check that out, we have also got a product from Blitzwolf. And let's check out what is the surprise from Blitzwolf in this small box. So before moving on to the video, if you end up liking this, do consider smashing the like button, and also click the red color subscribe button below the description box, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated in this channel. Now let's check what is this product. So guys, here we have the box, and Blitzwolf is written on top. And let me just open it up. It slides up easily, and on top you have some paperwork. Well, the Blitzwolf branding, and here you have the user manual. Okay, and what else is there? Oh, you got a nice pouch out there. So let's check, is there anything else? Okay, nothing is there. So this is the box. So I guess there might be headphones inside. So let me open it up and see what is there. Well, as correctly guessed, we have a headphone. Let's take that and keep it aside and see what else is there. What is this? Okay, so extra ear tips, and we got something else. What is this? Okay, so this is a clip to just put it onto your shirt. And I just like this box simply because in India, if you buy headphones like this, you will get a normal cover, which is actually irritating. But I love the fact that Blitzwolf is actually including a good case with it. So here's the headphone. It's looking pretty good, and the red color texture on it. Well, this headphones is pretty long. And as you can see, you have the left and right ear indications. As you can see, you have the left and right indications over here. And yes, it's a normal pretty good headphones. I guess this is priced at 1,300 rupees, reasonable. You can grab this from banggood.com, and I'll be posting the full review of this product in the coming days. The build quality is really great as of now, and I have to test it, and I'll be posting the review video soon for this product from Blitzwolf. So that's it for today's video. I guess you have liked the video. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up, consider subscribing my channel, and stay tuned because we'll be posting the full review of this product, and as well as the comparison between these headphones as well as the Sony headphones which we normally get in India. So stay tuned to our channel. I'm Arnav here, signing off from Tech Arena. Let's meet in the next video.